Hi, I'm Krista with Freedom Motors. Hope you're having an awesome day today. I'm very excited to show you our brand new 2023 wheelchair accessible Buick Enclave. Freedom Motors is a small family-owned company based out of Battle Creek, Michigan. We offer the widest selection of wheelchair-accessible vehicles and have a nationwide presence. We offer both the manual operated ramp, which is spring-loaded, very easy to lift, and can be raised and lowered by hand, as well as an automatic option that is controlled remotely. The Buick Enclave featured today sports the ladder and is incredibly simple to use. Simply use the OEM fob to open up the hatch. Then press and hold the number 1 button on the Freedom Motors fob to drop down the ramp. You can also control the ramp with a convenient dash switch located in the front driver's side. The automatic ramp functions with a hydraulic pump, which ensures a smooth and reliable operation, and allows the ramp to be operated manually as well without any detriment to the conversion. We install 2 rear hatch pins to hold the bifold ramp into place to minimize road noise. We include a hatch release for a quick exit in the event of an emergency. The ramp is 35 inches wide and 60 inches in length. It's crafted of rust-resistant powder-coated aluminum, is an incredibly durable material. The entry point is 53 inches from the top to the bottom and opens up to a generous 57.5 inches once inside. Our anchor points to secure the wheelchair are strategically placed inside on our slip-resistant commercial-grade flooring to accommodate most wheelchair devices. The Enclave is highly customizable, from full cuts with aftermarket bucket seats to OEM chairs in the mid-row and an optional 2-person folding bench in the 3rd row. No matter your needs or lifestyle, we have the build for you. We pride ourselves on leaving as much of the original manufacturer equipment intact as possible, including the front row, which is completely unaltered. Thank you for watching. I hope this gives you a good idea of how the wheelchair accessible Buick Enclave functions and what it looks like. If you have any other questions, please visit us at freedommotors.com or call us at 1-800-625-6335.